Hey, I just ran across this cool thing. It's a guest book for people that make their way up here. So you can see that the book was started, looks like maybe June 2012. Yeah, June 1, 2012. So the first entry is from the 8th of June 2012. So you can see how many people have signed it since then. Now we're into 13, so here's the end right here. 713. Erla Bjork. Bjork was here. Oh my God. So, really? Iceland? Pen that doesn't work? Or is it just me? And there's no point on the pencil either. Can't sign it. Pen doesn't work. Hang on a second, you guys. There's always a solution. I don't know. The thing's gone. Somebody took the ink out. Huh. Oh, here it is right here. So it's still in a little tubey thing. So we'll put that back in there. Stick that on there. And let's see if we got a pen. We don't, so we'll just use this part right here. So let's see. Billy Brockway, USA and Costa Rica. Tak. We'll put tak. Tak means thank you in Icelandic. So, and I think today's the 13th. So 13/7/13. And there you have it, you guys. We're now in the guest book at the awesome waterfall. And not a lot of people make their way up here, so pretty cool that we're in the guest book. And I certainly think that we're the only Costa Rica people in here. And let me see if there's any USA people. Looks to me like it's all Icelandic, folks. Yep. No Americans. Woo! Go America. Anyway, gotta get. That was awesome. We'll see you guys soon. Bye.